all of the rooms in their home. We held pools that would overhang the river, and they add their kaleidoscope reflections to those of the luminaries along the paths below. Native Atlantans of old holiday traditions while creating new holiday memories for all. The little town of Bethlehem, now a city of dolls interspersed with colored lights are used to decorate this tree. Kachinas are religious icons, meticulously carved from cottonwood reeds and painted to represent figures from who about their religion. The gate is always open at the base of this tree where Native American dolls stand to watch. 1965 special of Charlie Brown Christmas. Charlie Brown complains about the overwhelming materialism that he sees everywhere during the Christmas season. Lucy suggested he become director at FAO Swartz Toy Store. This store carries classic games and toys such as wooden ABC blocks, Lincoln Logs, and Tinker Toys. FAO Swartz has been enchanting children and their parents since 1862 and has evolved from a small specialty toy store into a world-renowned shopping and tourist destination. Full paper lanterns and decorating their Christmas trees, which they call "have found favor with God." Behold, you will be a child and shall bring forth a son, and you shall call his name Jesus. He will be great, and of his kingdom there will be no end. On your left, in Bethlehem, there was wonder into the cradle, where the newborn Jesus lies. The three kings approached with gifts, while shepherds kneel in adoration of the child. The angel of the Lord came upon them and said, "Behold, I bring you good tidings of great joy." Other elements in the room are from the frontier also. A sled, a horse, a church, a doll, and it's all backed up, of course, by the American flag. An enormous antique collection, as well as one of the most store Their home dates back to 1903. It is said that Morris Mitchum made the first official toy bear called the Teddy Bear. Mitchum owned a small novelty candy store in Brooklyn, New York. His wife of children throughout the world, determining whether they have been naughty or nice. He delivers toys, candy, and other presents to all of the good boys and girls, and sometimes cooler sticks to the naughty children. So kids, you better be good for goodness sake. Ozzy looked forward to a meal of barbecued Australian crayfish and other delicacies. The government even got into the act a few years ago with a The film coming up on the left is reminiscent of one that Abigail Ritchie cut down in her in a string for a very nice song celebration. All year long, children are told to behave, but they will clover, and bag of money, all meant to love for the recipient of this 95-year-old Christmas card depicted to your right. Children in 1925 received sugary, sweet, melt-in-your-mouth large pancakes. The candy delight nearly equaled the thrill of new toys and the giant Christmas tree that filled the house with the fragrance of pine. Part of the charm of marzipan was an appeared all night Christmas.
Yeah, they switched the track around.
Especially sincere thank you. Let's have a few moments of silence for Americans who give their lives in war. The values those men and women fought to defend from the essence of our country.
I'll be home for Christmas. You can count on me.
Before having their Christmas. Then they scampered into the room to see their stockings. In those days, an orange or two, a bit of lace, or a small toy was considered a bountiful Christmas stocking stuffer. To this day, children hang their stockings on the mantelpiece in the hope that Santa will drop something inside. As you journey through Jefferson's enchanted forest. Thank you so much for coming aboard our Christmas train. We hope you had a wonderful time and that you will tell your family and friends about us. We look forward to being a part of your holiday celebration next year. Please wait for the train to come to a complete stop before exiting. Exit to your left toward the front of the train.
Merry Christmas and a happy New Year. In Jefferson, Texas, USA. Yeah. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here tonight. Thank you for playing and for all the staff of the Christmas train. Merry Christmas.